Hello everyone, thanks for joining me and welcome back to another Tom Voyage video. Now in today's video we've got something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a review of these bottles sent to me very kindly from Super Sparrow. So this company Super Sparrow got in touch, they sent me some bottles to review. They do all different types and sizes and shapes and everything. So we're going to unbox these bottles, we're going to run through some of the features and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them. Now all of these bottles were very kindly sent to me by Super Sparrow, and if you want to get any of these bottles for yourself, there's a link in the description below. You click on that, it'll take you to the website and you'll even get a bit of a discount. So the first one we're going to look at is called the To Go range. Now they've sent me two different sizes of these, and inside the box comes with one of the caps. Pull out the drinks bottle, and now in here you see that there's the carrying bag and the other cap that's on there as well. A couple of straws and a cleaning brush, and then just some product instructions and the lifetime guarantee, which is included with all of these bottles. So these are the bottles, this is what they look like. Now they come in a range of different sizes. You can get them in a 350ml, 500ml, 620, 750, all the way up to 1000 or 1 litre. This is the size of the 750 and this is the size of the 500. So these come, you can see these lovely colours. They come in a range of 20 different colours and these are all powder coated as well, which means they're really resilient and hard wearing. Now one of the features I really like is the fact that you get two caps with this. So you get the standard cap, which is made of wood and steel. That's a screw cap that you can take on and off, and it's ideal for pouring if you're using this for hot drinks. Or you've got this plastic cap, which you put the straw on the underneath here, screw it into the top, and then you've got more of a sports bottle style. Now these bottles are made out of 18x8 stainless steel. It's really good quality steel, and they're all dual walled and vacuum insulated as well. That's going to give you great performance, storing hot liquids up to 12 hours and cold liquids up to 24 hours. So these bottles also come with this carry case, which the bottle just slides in there. That's going to help any condensation or anything that might build up on the side of the bottle. And it also comes with a nice carrying strap in case you need to carry this about. So again, if you wanted to see the full range of colours, click that link in the description and you can check them out there. So next up we're going to take a look at the Triton Series. Now this is the sports bottle range, and this one I've got here is the Big Daddy. This is the 1500ml version. So in the box we've got the sports bottle itself and then the instructions. Now as you can tell, this is the largest one. This is 1500ml. It also comes in 1000, 750, 500 and 350ml. So let's take a look at the cap. Take that off first. Now this is a button lock cap, so you've got a lock on here that you can flick down and take off, and then this button will spring it open. So this is a non-spill leak-proof cap. A great feature with this is if you're using it for driving, you can open it with one hand, take a sip and close it. Now also with this bottle, I don't know if you can see inside there, but there's a filter cap in there too. Now this comes out, but that's going to be really handy if ever you wanted flavoured water. You could chop up some fruit like lemons for example, put them in there and then use that cap to stop any of the lemon going in your mouth when you're drinking. It's also lightweight, very durable and strong, and completely odour and stain resistant too. This bottle is the black version, but it's also available in 11 different colours, so go and check those out. Okay, next up we have one of the bottles from the Classic series. So in the box we have the drinking cap, the bottle itself, some instructions, and the straws and cleaning kit like the other one. Okay, so this is the smaller one of the bottles. This is actually a 350ml. You can also get this one in the larger sizes like 500 and 750ml. And as you can see, it's more of the traditional bottle size with the smaller mouthpiece. This is going to make it a little bit easier to drink out of if you're on the move, at the gym for example. But as well, it comes included with the regular cap and the sports bottle cap as well. So both of these caps are spill and leak proof. As we said with the other bottles, it's made out of the high quality 18x8 stainless steel. It's dual walled and it's vacuum insulated as well. So similar to the To Go series, it's going to keep hot liquids warm for 12 hours and cold liquids cold for up to 24 hours. This one's in the apple green. I think it looks really cool and vibrant. There's 18 different colour options that you can go and check out, and they all come in this stainless steel powder coated as well, which means it's really durable, it's not going to scratch, it's not going to tarnish, and it's not going to wear over time. Okay, so last in the lineup we have the Triton Series. Now if you thought those other bottles weren't really to your taste, or you thought they looked a bit plain just in one colour, Super Sparrow do a range of these bottles in really nice patterns like this one. Now there's literally tons to choose from. Check them out on the website for all the different patterns. But this one they've sent us is a really nice pink design with some flowers on it. My daughter really likes this one, and it's available in 500ml or 750ml. So again, this bottle is made out of a high grade stainless steel. It's going to give you a great performance, keeping liquids warm for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. It comes with this nice carrying handle. And again, with all their other products, it's completely BPA free. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you were able to use it to find out a bit more information about some of the products that Super Sparrow offer. As we mentioned at the start of the video, for more information and for a discount on any of these bottles, you can click the link in the description below. Head over to their website, check out the full range of bottles, all the sizes, all the information's on there, and all the colour options are on there too. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more gear reviews, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about any of these bottles, write me a message in the comments section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next one.